The latest on the assassination of Haitian President Jovenel Moise. 6 individuals have been detained. 2 of them are seen here being carted away by Haitian police. 2 Haitian Americans with South Florida ties are now in custody. Our senior political reporter Michael Putney is live at our newsroom right now with the late breaking developments. Michael.
Calvin, you just knew there was going to be a South Florida connection to the assassination, and today authorities in Haiti are confirming there is. 2 of the suspects in the assassination were found today hiding outside a home in Pétionville above Port-au-Prince and turned over to police. They say a total of 6 suspects are in custody. One of them is identified as James Solage of Fort Lauderdale, who is of Haitian descent.
And that was a targeted attack. It was hired guns that carried out this work.
President Jovenel Moise was shot multiple times early Wednesday at his home. The assassins apparently got past security by claiming to be drug enforcement agents. They were not. The president's wife, Martine Moise, was also shot several times. She was brought by air ambulance to South Florida